Hello day traders, I'm Maria Stradop and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 30th of October today, Monday, and in our today's review, first we will discuss how things go with central bank digital currencies adoption all over the world. And then we will observe technical picture of Ethereum and Bitcoin and the short-term forecasts for the cryptocurrencies. And we will start with an article by Sebastian Seliger. And first, some news which is about central bank digital currencies, this time from Mexico. And as we all remember, Mexican Senator Indira Campos became famous for this topic when she proposed the introduction of a central bank digital currency last year. Now her attention is fully focused on Bitcoin. To address these challenges, the Senate introduced a CBDC-focused bill aimed at creating a legal framework for the recognition and adoption of Bitcoin as an official means of payment. Initially, the project was met with resistance because, as Campus noted, nobody understood Bitcoin. And however, some time later, as the discussion around the idea developed, it began to evoke both positive and negative emotions. And although the debate on the project continues, the road to its implementation is still long. And the Mexican Central Bank has a large influence on the legislative process, and the Senate, in turn, is waiting for the official analysis and opinion from this institution. And the previous head of the bank was a strong critic of Bitcoin, it should be said, while the current governor does not comment on this topic at all. Mexican president has made it clear that Mexico will not adopt Bitcoin as its official currency following El Salvador's footsteps. Despite all these challenges, Campos believes that the digital peso will be available in Mexico as early as next year. And she also announced her candidacy for president in next year. And regardless of election result, he intends to continue his Bitcoin advocacy, drawing inspiration from El Salvador's success. And was it a real success in El Salvador's case? Okay, and now let's get to technical picture. We will start with Ethereum. The information is of Friday. So, Ethereum dollar pair has retraced 61% of the last wave down, pulled back, and then bulls retested the level again. The next target for bulls is seen at the level of 1,874, but currently the bears are again testing the local technical support seen at 1,755. The intraday technical resistance is seen at 1,853, and the intraday technical support is located at 1,755. The strong and positive momentum on the 4-hour time frame supports the short-term bullish outlook for Ethereum. However, the market is coming off the extremely overbought conditions. Any violation of 1,755 will open the road towards the next technical support at 1,520. Okay, now let's have a look at the chart of Ethereum for the moment. It's the 30th of October and Ethereum opened today at the point 1,794, and now it is trading at 1,781. If we look back to the weekend, we can see that Ethereum was trading around 1,700 80 around this level, a little higher, a little lower, and now it's almost at the same level as well. So it's quite above its technical supports, but it's quite far from the next bullish target as well. Okay, now let's get to Bitcoin, the flagship cryptocurrency, and the article by Ralph Shedler. The article was also written on Friday, and at that time Bitcoin climbed as much as 35,198 on a Tuesday, and found a resistance there, and then it slipped lower and was located at 33,928 at the moment of Friday. And Ralph says that after such an impressive growth, the retreat was natural. Technically, Bitcoin is trading at some height sideways in the short term. It's trapped between 35,198 and 33,258 former low levels. It's failure to stay above 34,444 announced exhausted buyers. Still, the bias remains bullish as long as it stays above the median line. So Ralph's forecast is the following: testing and retesting the median line and registering only false breakdowns may announce a new bullish momentum. The 32,376 level represents a key downside obstacle, and upside continuation could be invalidated only if the rate drops below it. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Bitcoin also. And Bitcoin opened today, the 30th of October, at the point 34,578, and now it is trading at 34,283. So it's also above median line, as we can see, and it's consolidating also like Ethereum, and Bitcoin also spent the weekend in consolidation around 34,000 level. So it may continue its consolidation phase further. We will see. Well, this is all for today. We will see each other tomorrow in our next review. I wish you to have a nice trading week, profitable trading week. Have a nice day, and see you next time. Goodbye.